Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Children, we are towards the end of the chapter. Chapter Why Wisdom is Scattered Across the World. Yes, in the previous class we had done simile and paragraph writing. I hope you have completed your work. Now today we will learn about conjunction in building blocks section. You can open your book on page number 73 and kindly pay attention on the audio and the explanation. Children, conjunctions are joining words. They are also called as glue words. Yes, they join words, phrases और sentences. उनका काम होता है वर्ड्स को या phrases या two sentences को join करना. For example, I have a pencil in my hand. I have a piece of chalk in my hand. So I'll speak like this. I have a pencil and a piece of chalk in my hand. Two things are there in my hand. So I'll use conjunction and over you. In the same way, I like orange and banana. Similar, अगर आप मुझे चॉइस के लिए पूछोगे तो मैं एक चूज़ करूँगा, मगर मुझे दोनों ही बहुत पसंद हैं. Now, today we will learn the conjunctions and, or, but and because. There are many other conjunctions, but today we will learn about these four conjunctions. Yes? Now, and the conjunction and is used to connect words, group of words or sentences. For example, I want to be the wisest creature in the world and only you can help me to achieve that goal. Yes, I can say Ram is a boy, Sahil is a boy. Both are boys, so Ram and Sahil are boys. Now the next conjunction is conjunction or. The conjunction or is to show choices. That's what I told you in the previous explanation also. Here conjunction और जब हमारे पास चॉइस है, चाहे तो आप जैसे चॉइस मम्मा आपको कई बार चॉइस देती है, चाहे तो आप खेलने चले जाओ या टीवी देख लो. सो either you go to play or you watch TV. Choice is your, you are supposed to select one. Either you pick a piece of cake or a samosa. So only one thing you can take. So in the same way, you can meet me at the metro station or I will pick you from the office. So that is your choice. You just inform me prior only कि मुझे आपको metro station पे मिलना है या फिर office से मैं तुम्हें pick कर लूँ. This is the use of conjunction or to show choices. Now the next conjunction is but. Anansi's son was young. He was wise. So Anansi's son was young but he was wise. Even though he was young but he was wise. Let's take another example. I can lend you money but you have to return it by next month. So the condition is there. The conjunction but is used to show contrast. Yes. So there is a contrast when you are using conjunction but. Yes, children. Now the conjunction because. The conjunction because is used to show a reason for an action. You have taken this step. Why? So you have to tell the reason, you have to explain why you have done this work or you have taken this action. For example, Anansi decided to not share the pot of wisdom because he was selfish. So this is the reason he didn't want to share the pot of wisdom. Let's take another example. Alpna got the medal because she had worked hard. So why Alpna got the medal? Because she had worked hard. One more example. Ram can lift heavy objects. Ram is a weight lifter. So here we will not use the noun, proper noun again and again. We are talking about one person, one subject only, Ram. तो राम को हम दो बार नहीं लिखेंगे जब सेंटेंस को हम कंबाइन कर रहे हैं बिकॉज से. सो द आंसर विल बी राम कैन लिफ्ट हैवी objects because he is a weight lifter. Yes children. Now this is the explanation part. Now we will do let's try 6 in your course book. Yes, I hope you understood the explanation. Now you can turn page number 74 of your course book and you are supposed to use 3 conjunction to make these sentences, to join these sentences or words. Conjunction or, but, and. 3 conjunctions. Okay, the first one is already done. Now the second one. Dad went to the kitchen, he made some tea. So and will be used, but we will not use dad again or he again. So the answer will be dad went to the kitchen and made some tea. Next, I brushed my teeth with the new toothbrush. I went to bed. So I will not come again. It will not be repeated. The subject will not going to be repeated. I only once you will use and no tense will be changed. I brushed my teeth with a new toothbrush and went to bed. Start the sentence with a capital letter and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, do you want a pizza? Do you want a burger? The choice is there. Mama will give you a choice. Yes, both are junk food. So mama will allow you once in a week, but only one thing you can eat. So do you want a pizza or a burger? Article will be used. A pizza or a burger. तो choice जहाँ पर और आ गया वहाँ पे question mark आता है. Put an interrogative question mark over at the end of the conjunction or. So I hope you understood. Try the next 3. And then in B column you have to identify the compound words. 2 nouns that if they are joined they make another noun. For example, tooth plus brush is toothbrush. So you will write down 4 compound words. You will select from all the above sentences. You will find it very easily. Yes, only 4 compound words you will write down in B question. Now we will learn let's try 7. You will understand let's try 7 in the next video.